Himachal-born, free-spirited with infectious laughter, Yami Gautam is someone that we all love. If there's one tip that Yami gave to me before I did her makeup, it was that if my freckles show, then my base is perfect. And that is exactly what she's done for her Femina cover look. We're going to recreate the same look for all of you here. And Yami has aced this look with a pop of pink eyeshadow. Hi, I'm Anupama Katyal and with me is Shobna, and we're going to recreate the same look for all of you here. So welcome to Be Beautiful. What I love about makeup is those bright colors on the eyes, and Yami has just that. So I'm going to start with the eye makeup before. We're going to create a base on the eyes so that the pink really stands out. If you want the intensity of the color to show on your eyes, make sure that you have a base on the eyelid. I'm going to start with this pink color. Start from the center of the eye and move your brush towards the inner corner in small gentle strokes. Blend in the pink with your finger. Make sure there are no lines drawn. I'm going to use another color on this one. Something that has more shine. I'm already loving this color. It's so beautiful. Again, blend it in with your fingers. Yami has such dreamy eyes, and it's such a pleasure to be doing her eyes, especially when she's, doing colors like this. In fact, the key to great eye makeup is that you keep your base extremely neutral. Just let your skin breathe and highlight the eyes. I've taken a touch of an orange color and I'm going to blend it in with this just to add to the shading of pink. We're doing a pearl highlight and I'm blending it in with the rest of the colors. Generally, we keep the eyeshadow, right inside of the socket of the eye, but for this look, we've taken it a little above and it's looking wow. I'm using a pink on the waterline. If you're wearing any neutral shades, you can try this makeup. It looks beautiful. Use a nude or a white pencil for the inner eye. I personally love wearing lashes, but Yami is not wearing any in this. So I'm going to use lots of mascara. Move your mascara brush in these strokes, moving upwards, to give the lashes a lift. I'm adding a touch of purple on the outer corners of the eyes and on the waterline. A hint of the same highlight pearl is something that we're going to use just at the inner corners of the eye. It's time to do the lower lashes. Take out the excess from the brush and move your brush in zigzag so that every lash stands out. No eye makeup is complete without getting the perfect brows, so I'm going to do just that. Yami's got naturally dark brows. I'm using a dark brown color and just filling them in. We're ready with the eyes and now it's time to do the base. Before you do your base, remember to moisturize your skin really well. It makes it look supple, hydrated and soft. I'm using a generous helping of the moisturizer just before I apply the base. Since Shobna has acne marks, I'm going to try and conceal them with an orange color. Orange is the color for you if you have acne marks or if you have dark circles. Conceals really well. I'm going to use a cream base to cover the orange. Now that I've covered the orange, I'm going to use a liquid base, starting with the forehead. Don't forget to use the base on your ears, going down all the way to your neck. Use a blending brush like this one and start blending your base starting from the forehead. Move your brush in circular motions. Seal the base with a little powder. My favorite part, contouring. Squeeze in. Start from the starting of your ear and move your brush in circular motions. Since Yami had really bright eyes, the rest of the face has been very soft. Nude lips and very light blush. It's time to contour the nose. Start from the tip, just exactly where your eyebrow ends. Make sure you brush off the excess brown color. When you've got eyes as bright as these, then you make sure that you keep the blush really soft. Maybe go in for a peach or a baby pink just on the apple of your cheeks. I'm using a nude color for her lips. Start with outlining the lip and filling it in. Make a curve at the Cupid's bow. No sharp edges, no points, and start filling it in. You could also lift your lip a bit so that the color comes down really nice. I'm going to add some lipstick to it. It's again a nude color. We're done with the makeup look and I am just loving it. But as you know, there's no look that's complete without styling. So I'm going to hand over a jacket to Shobna and let's see how she looks with this one. Here, Shobna. I'm going to take this clip off. Oh my God, isn't she looking lovely, guys? I love colors and that is one reason why I have enjoyed recreating this look. And if you have enjoyed watching it, then don't forget to comment and tell us what you think of this. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Be Beautiful.